Happy morning, students. How are you all? We are going to start with the next session of English. I welcome you all. To start with the session, what is the prose lesson we are going through? It is The Little Girl. Prose lesson 3, The Little Girl, and it is written by Catherine Mansfield. Have you read the story, children? Have you read the story? Yes. Maximum, you have posted your answers in WhatsApp group. From your answers, I came to know that you have read the story and you enjoyed the story. Was the story interesting? How was your feeling when you read the story? Did you get any emotional connection over there with your childhood days? Could you remember your childhood days? A very beautiful story which is lined up with a complex emotion called love that we have already discussed. And from your answers, I could find few of you have not read the story. Try to read the story and you are in grade 9. You have to do it. You have to do certain things on your own. Is that clear for everyone? Okay, we have completed the story. I have explained you some incidents. Is there any guess what will be the next thing? Yes, next we are going to deal with book back exercises. See children, for your benefit, we teachers, we are doing our videos. We are making our videos in a clear way. We are discussing the lesson, then we are discussing the book back exercises so that you will get a clear understanding over there. Try to have your textbook in hand when you attend the session and try to sit in a straight posture with your textbook in hand. It is not like you have to lie down and you are listening to classes. It is not like that. It is a video of half an hour. Sit in a straight posture, have a good sitting posture, have your textbook in hand, listen to the teacher what she is telling and note down points. Will you do it? You have to do it. To start with today's session, we are going to see the book back exercises. So, the first Roman in book back exercise is given below are some emotions that Kezia felt. Who is Kezia? Kezia is the central character of the story, the main character of the story. Match the emotions in column A with the items in column B. So what you are going to do now? You have two columns. One is column A and the other one is column B. You are going to match the emotions in column A with the incidents in column B. Are you clear? What you are going to do? You are going to match the emotions in column A with the incidents in column B. What are the emotions that is displayed in column A? What is the first emotion? It is a fear or terror. What is the second emotion? It's glad sense of relief. And the third emotion is a funny feeling, perhaps of understanding. Three different emotions. First is a fear and next is a happy emotion. Followed by that, you'll have a funny feeling. Three different emotions. You're going to match that with the incidents to the column B. Shall we read the incidents? Father comes into her room to give her a good kiss. Noise of the carriage grows fainter. Father comes home. Speaking to father. Going to bed when alone at home. Father comforts her and falls asleep. Father stretched out on the sofa and snoring. These are the incidents. Now I'll give you time just to recollect the points of the text, which is going to help you to match the emotions with the incidents. Will you recollect things from your textbook? You have to recollect things from your textbook now. Shall we get into the next thing? We are going to match. What is the first emotion displayed there? It is fear or terror. To which incidents will you match this? The incident which you are going to match is father comes home. This you could find in the character of Kezia. She'll have a terrifying attitude, or she'll have a fear towards her father when he returns home from office. When her father comes home from office, she'll have a kind of fear, and she will stand behind the staircase. She'll not go there to receive her father. She'll hide herself. She'll stand in a separate place where her father could not see her. That shows that what is the emotion she has? She has an emotion of fear. Next, glad sense of relief. What is called glad sense of relief? It's happy sense of relief. When she will have this? Is there any guess? Yes, you are right. When father comes into her room to give her a goodbye kiss. When her father leaves to the office, he'll come to her room to give her a goodbye kiss. That will give her a sense of relief, a sigh of relief. We have discussed this already. When we saw the lesson, we have discussed it already. And this emotion can be connected with one more incident when the noise of the carriage grows fainter. When the noise of the carriage goes fainter. What is the meaning of the word fainter? When it goes down. The noise of the moving carriage goes down when it moves some distance from the home. Next, a funny feeling, perhaps understanding. This kind of feeling is there in Kezia when you can see that this girl will go to her living room where you could find her mother and father is there in a sofa, and this man will sleep in the sofa, stretched out in the sofa, and he'll have a snoring sound over there. You can match the emotion with this incident. Have you marked it in your textbook, children? Okay. Shall we move on to the next Roman now? What is the next Roman? What is the next Roman given for you? It is answer the following in one or two sentences in page number 38. The same page, second Roman, answer the following in one or two sentences. How many questions do you have there? There are 4 questions. Do you have 4 questions? 4 questions where you are going to answer the questions in a sentence or 2 sentences. This Roman, you are going to do it on your own. You can write direct answers from the textbook. Will you be able to do this exercise on your own? You have to do it. Answer the following in 1 or 2 sentences in page number 38. The work for today. Try to do your daily work, children. The work for today in English is, you are going to write answer for these 4 questions in your classwork notebook. Give today's date, copy down the questions, and start writing the answer. Evening, I'll ask some students to have your answers being posted in WhatsApp. You should take a snapshot of your textbook and notebook where you have written the answer. You should post that in group. See, children, be aware of it. Your daily attendance is marked and regular follow-up of your work is also marked. So do your work in time. Will you do the work in time? You have to do it in time. Do the work in time, children. Today's work is, you are going to write the answer for second Roman in page number 38. You have 4 questions over there. You are going to write the answers and you are going to have it in your notebook with today's date. Evening, I'll ask some students to post the work. You have to post your work. Get ready with the work. We are going to discuss the next Roman. See the next Roman. What is the title of next Roman? Discuss these questions in class with your teacher. We are not in real classroom situation, but we have to discuss such questions. Whereas this mode of session will be a good platform for us to discuss the answers. First question is there displayed for you. What is the first question? Read out the question with me. Kezia's efforts to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. How did this happen? Kezia's efforts to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. How did this happen? We are going to discuss the answer for first question. I'll pass for you over here. You can get the answer from your textbook. I'll give you 1 minute time. Quickly turn your textbooks and find the answers. Turn the pages of your textbook and find the answer. Where is the answer for this question? Is there any idea where is the answer for this question? Yes, it is there in para 5. I'm not going to give you the answer, whereas I'm going to discuss some points. You can take that as ideas. With that, you have to write your own answer. Is it clear, children? I'm going to give you some ideas, some clues that will help you to frame your own answer. And here, in this Roman, you can find this question should be answered in 2 or 3 paragraphs. That is what you are going to do now. Note down the first point, children. Her grandfather told her that, her grandmother told her that father's birthday was next week. Her grandmother told her that father's birthday was next week. This is the first point.